And people still ask, why is the Yiddish Book Center in Amherst?
I mean, I agree with, Aaron, the way he details it in his book, Outwitting History, and so on, that people suggested to him, people like Ruth Weiss suggested to him that you'll get swallowed up in New York. And that he came back here because it was a place that was familiar, that he had a couple of professors who would be very helpful to him, Jules Pickus, Len Glick, and so on, and that it would be easier to develop your own identity a little bit separated from that fractious Yiddish establishment. And he just decided to do it. And for people like us, that was great, Oh, that was great. Who wanted another organization in New York? I know that other people now feel, oh, it's hard to get to the book center and so on. But when they come here, it's kind of magical.